Good morning, you guys. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and right now we're about to go to a Subaru dealership where my friend works and going to pick up some tires. We're going with the Hankook Ventus V12 Evo 2s again, just like what we have right here, except we're running the 255/35 by 18 rather than the 235/40s. Definitely going to get a little bit bigger of a contact patch. We're not going to be stretched anymore. We can't mount the tires today, unfortunately, because on the right side we need to get 2 new wheels, which I have already ordered. I wish they were in today, but they're not, unfortunately. Hopefully they'll be in by Tuesday so we can get these tires mounted. Let's go ahead and go over to that Subaru dealership and get these tires. We finally made it to the dealership. Let's go ahead and get these tires because we're busy today. We can find a way. We'll do this together. Definitely gonna fix. We got this, bro. We just gotta believe. These are thick boy tires.
You said 255.
Oh, we got this, buddy. Oh, this will work.
Yeah, lean it.
We got the stuff. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and drop it off at home. That's really all I have time for today because like I said, it's a busy day. I'll go ahead and catch up with you guys in a little bit once we actually start like modifying like the fenders and stuff and heightening the car, because we definitely can't keep this same setup while going up tire size because it's just too much. So I'll go ahead and catch up with you as soon as we're like in the next phase of getting these tires on. All right, it's a couple days later. We're gonna go to Harbor Freight right now so we can get the materials so we can like cut our fenders a little bit, you know, trim them down, because that's what we got to do to fit those 255s in there, because since we're low, number one. Number two, we have like a little bit of excess of fiberglass material that we have to shave off, probably about like 10 mil of it. And then we have to heighten the car. Then we'll be done for basically what we have to do today. Let's get to Harbor Freight, get some of the materials, and then we can get started with this because it's pretty hot outside. We just got all of our stuff right here. So you got like some goggles, some face mask, this little cutting blade for it, and like a little multi-function tool. I know it's not just like a regular cutting wheel, but I actually seen that it does work on fiberglass and it like helps create low dust, and that's the last thing I really want to have happen, is have a lot of dust just flying around everywhere. So we're gonna use that. It might not work as fast, but I mean, I don't care. That's not bad at all. So let's go ahead and get started. This would be a whole lot easier if my friend didn't steal my torque wrench. Ooh, threaded. Starting to thread. Shout out to Harbor Freight for these steel thingies, these rulers. They got millimeters, baby. I guess almost all rulers have millimeters, but this one's cool. Super safe. Now time to wear the goggles and the face mask because I don't mess around with fiberglass, because last time I was working with these fenders, I wasn't wearing gloves. It straight up felt like I touched a cactus and it was bothering me for like the next couple of days. No thanks. Always wear protection when you're working with fiberglass, because those little shards, not fun time. And they're toxic. This probably won't do that much, to be honest, because it's like a cheapy one. You probably want like the actual good ones, but it's a lot better than just breathing it in. So. I think that should do. I should have probably wore pants because I really hope these things aren't gonna mess up my whole body. Now let's go ahead and heighten the coil over. Yeah. No. Fiberglass is in my skin. I could feel it. Should have wore a long sleeve. Well, I feel a whole bunch of fiberglass on my arms. I feel stupid. I should have worn a long sleeve, but I didn't. So now I'm getting irritated on my arm. This side's good. Threading too. So much cleaner. Finally got the front two done. I was able to take off my sweater. I'm not working with the fiberglass anymore. I can finally take it off, but I definitely have some crap stuck in my arms and stuff. So wear long sleeves, wear as much as you can when you're working with fiberglass. I learned the hard way twice already. The fronts are higher at about 20 millimeters each. Take a look real quick. You see anything wrong with this picture? Yeah, I got a flat when I was at work. And I guess when I looked at it, there was like a puncture in the weak spot of the tire where it was pretty much threading. I got lucky it wasn't when I was on the freeway, and that could have been a whole lot worse for me and the car. I can't install the new tires until my two new wheels come in for the right side. So we just gotta wait. Hopefully they should be in tomorrow. Let's go ahead and keep going with the rears. Ow. Shit. That hurt. Damn, bro. 35 mil? I'll take that. 35 mil in the back. Right here, this is hard to get to because like this fender liner gets in the way and then I can't really go over here on this side. But I did it, so yes. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the other side. Wow, you're about to go too. It's a little bit higher. It's sad, but at the same time, it still looks really nice, and I know it's probably gonna give it just enough of that clearance for the 255s. You can actually fit a finger down there for once. Before it was probably about like right here-ish. And they're about 35 millimeters. They're about what, 15-ish? So it's about another 20 mil up. So nearly an inch up on the front and the rears. But yeah, that's pretty much all we got for right now. I'll go ahead and see you guys once we finally get the tires back in. I'll see you then. We're waiting on UPS. It's Monday at this point. It was supposed to be here on Friday, but then they got delayed. They had their way with me. They did me wrong. Now it's Monday. It's my day off. Hopefully these wheels come in today, because if not, then I'm gonna be pissed as hell. Ooh, baby, big reveal. Oh yes, this that new, exact same wheel. We gotta get them installed before work, so we got a time crunch again. We are on the way to the tire shop, and we got literally everything in the car. Like all 4 tires. We got 3 right here, run straight next to me with my camera bag, and then way in the back behind these tires in the actual trunk of the car, we got the wheels, the 2 new wheels that I got. So we're set. The FRS can carry a good amount for as small as the car it is. We just dropped it off. There's a Starbucks literally just like a block or 2 down, and I'm walking to that right now because their waiting area is in the sun. Might as well get some Starbs, you know, and wait. They said it's about 40 minutes, which is perfect because, I mean, I got work at 11 and it's 9 o'clock right now, so like, works out perfectly. Let's just go ahead and get to the Starbucks. I see it right now, and we can do some work on like videos and stuff. I just realized that Starbucks won't let me inside. God damn it, COVID. Job is done. We're finally back home. I'm gonna tell you this right now. This was like the perfect wheel and tire setup that I should have did originally. Wow. Okay, let me go ahead and show you right here. It's a 255 setup on the 9.5-inch wheel, which like it looks damn perfect. It's completely flush, just lined up with the actual wheel itself. The old ones had a little tad bit of stretch. So if you see that, you can see the little bit of the lip of the wheel sticking out, and the front fenders look really good with it too. That little bit of shaving definitely will get me that little bit of room that I need. I'm gonna go ahead and retort the lugs to the spec that I know that they should be done. Not that I don't trust the tire place. They did a really good job on my tires and wheels and everything, but it's just always nice to be sure. And I'm just gonna do it just for that extra precaution. Like I said, they did a great job, but you know, sometimes you just gotta do it on your own. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, you guys. Thank you if you stayed to the end of the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. We're almost at 200 subscribers. We're about like 188 right now. Once we hit 200, we're gonna do that Amazon gift card giveaway. Just go ahead and stay tuned, guys, because we have a lot more coming. Yeah, we got big plans for this car. And also stay tuned for when I either get the new BRZ when it comes out, or an S2000 maybe? If I choose not to get the brand new next generation one, we'll find out. We'll have to wait until next year when it comes out. See you guys in the next video. Peace out, boys.